Hi, thanks for returning to my channel, and today we take this Super Soco electric and try and fit a legal number plate to it for its first ever MOT. And it's been stored for a couple of months, now it won't start. Let's see if we can find out what's causing the trouble. I have to drill out the holes using the old number plate as a template. First of all, we're going to take the illegal small number plate which came with the vehicle, so I managed to get hold of legal number plates. You're only allowed one particular size of font and the spacing has to be exactly right. It's new for this year's MOT, so unfortunately I've had to try and block out the number plate so people don't make them and use them for illegal activity. One bad apple can spoil the cart. Making sure I don't over tighten them and crack it. You'll see here I have a bolt sticking out. I've removed this just in case the MOT turn around and say it could snag a pedestrian, and I'll be putting them back on later after the MOT, because they're the mounting points for my single wheel trailer that I'm going to be testing. Here I'm having to take all the side covers off because if you can see near where the batteries are and underneath a circuit breaker, that is a DC to DC step down. This was a step down that went from 83 volt to 60 volt, and for some unknown reason it's gone short circuit. Took me a while to find it, but I found it eventually. So it wouldn't allow the DC to DC main battery pack to 12 volt step down to work. Don't know why it decided it didn't want to work, but so I had to remove it, all the extra batteries out for the time being, and gone back to 60 volt, and so I could bypass it. And this is the finished result. If you notice, the white light is illuminating the number plate, and interestingly it leaves a white line all the way around the number plate. Could be interesting. We can vary in many different colours. Thanks for watching my channel. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It's completely free.